Welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. We're pretty excited to be with you here again today at the St. Louis production facilities to talk with you about this custom tilt table sitting behind me. I've asked Ryan Daly, our inside sales manager, to come and talk to us about it.
Well, thanks Chuck for having me today. I'm excited to join you and talk a little bit more about this custom tilt table that we designed here at BHS. This customer has an average duty cycle, so it's not a heavy usage, but with it, what they were trying to accomplish is they were looking for a way to, number one, cut down on their forklift usage when it came to emptying their bins, as well as create a dedicated station in front of their conveyor system. So with these, they can be loaded from the side or from the top with the hoist or crane. So with our tilt tables, we can do them in a remote pendant as well as a floor pedal for that accessibility and that maneuverability of that tabletop. So with this one, they had asked us to do a pedestal control so that operator can safely operate the tilt table away from where it's dumping. On this pedestal box as well, we've got easy to use remote controls. So we've got their standard tilt up and down function, as well as that safety stop if needed. Some unique features that we did was this custom tabletop designed for a custom bin that will be going on top. With the tops, as you can see, we had the raised side over here. So when it's tilting, it prevents anything from going over that side, as well as it creates an access point and directs where they want the bin to be placed. Another unique thing that you can see here as well is this custom funnel. As they're emptying that bin, all the contents can then be directed into the conveyor belt system. So with this fork pocket lock, all you'll need to do is remove the pin right here. As a safety feature, it actually prevents a tilt table from being operated once this pin has been removed. From here, we'll lower the position here for that fork pocket lock. Then they can safely load that bin into position to keep that dirt and debris out, as well as enclose the internal components. We have included full metal panels that are wrapped around each side of the tilt table. It also comes with these easy rubber grip handles to which they can safely and easily remove the panels to access those components underneath. It can be easily relocated to a new position within your facility. As you can see, with this tilt table, we are able to achieve over that 90-degree angle for that maximum dump angle that you need to completely empty whatever you may be putting on that tabletop, whether it be a bin, a cart, or a Gaylord box. We can achieve that angle to more efficiently empty that material.
Thanks, Ryan, for showing us this custom tilt table. We do want to make sure you understand we have a standard line, many models to choose from. Get hold of your inside sales rep at BHS and they'll direct you to the one that's appropriate for your application. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for joining us for this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.